Hey YouTube, it's Kharyzma. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a long-time subscriber, welcome to my channel. My name is Kharyzma and my channel is Kharyzma for You, and I do videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and a little bit of other things too. So today I have for you an unboxing of Coach. Yeah. I will be unboxing the Coach Poppy handbag. I believe that's what it is, guys. And here it is. It comes in a bag like this, and I have my scissors. It literally just came in the mail, and I was taking some pictures from my Instagram, and I said, you know what, since I'm doing that and this just came, let me do this unboxing. I'm opening it up right in front of you. The packaging is thick. I don't want it to make a mess on the floor in here, so I'm just gonna do about that much, and it's dusty. Okay, it's a small bag, so I made a mess. Give me a minute, let me clean this up. I do not like mess. Okay, there was mess from the packaging. I gotta sweep that up later. So this is the bag. OMG, I'm so excited because guys, I originally ordered this bag. This is the Poppy, yeah, the Coach Poppy bag. And I originally ordered it in pink, and when they were having the big sale for the summer collection, and they took my order, everything went through, and then later on I got an email that it was canceled, so I was kind of upset, but I was happy in a way because I ordered this in pink. But long story short, I didn't need a pink bag because my mom ended up buying me, and I have it here because I was just using it for my photo shoot. She bought me this pink bag for my birthday. It is so cute, and on the back it says like dreams. So then I didn't need the pink bag, so I was happy that I got to get this one. So yeah, when you have lots of bags, it's important that you try not to get the same style of bag. If you have the same style, maybe you want to get it in different colors, but you don't want too many of the same bag. So make sure if you're buying from a brand that you're getting variety, you know. And I don't have any bags like this. This is so pretty already. I love it. OMG, look at that. It has the leather. This is canvas, so this is the signature C's on it. And this is leather, and it says Coach. Oh, it's so pretty. And let me just unwrap this stuff here. This is the other part of it. This is so pretty. I'm glad I got to do this on camera with you guys as you're seeing my first reaction. Look at that. This is the little card case that comes with it. And this is the chain. Let me take this off. This is so pretty. I don't have any bags like this. And I liked it because it's brown and black, so it goes with a lot of things. And it kind of reminds me of the Louis Vuitton bag, because Louis Vuitton has a style similar to this, so that's why I wanted to get it. Okay guys, so I'm done taking off all of the wrapping. I love it already. So this is what it's looking like with the chain on it. Look at that. So it has a chain connected to this here, and I'm gonna model it for you in a minute, but I just want to show you everything about the bag. So this is what it's looking like, and it has the Coach logo here, and this is leather, this is the canvas, it's brown and black, and the end of the zipper, it's gold hardware. Everything is gold hardware. So you can lift this here, the snap closure right there, and you have room to put like cards or anything like that, whatever you need to put there. It's a pretty slim purse, so I would say it's sort of like a wallet on chain, but a little bit bigger, because you can most likely fit a cell phone in here. You have more than enough room to fit a cell phone. And then you have card slots here. There's 1, 2, 3 card slots on the side, and it just has the Coach, this little tag here. I can't show you my cell phone in it because I'm taping with my cell phone, but it can fit a cell phone in here. So I'll show you the side of the bag. See, the side is leather, and this is how it looks around it. So it's a pretty good amount of space. So now you have the gold hardware chain attached to this little wallet right here. Is too cute. It has the Coach logo here in gold hardware, and in the back there's a card slot. Still has some of the packaging in it, and in the front you can open it up. Yeah, snap closure with a card slot here, and room here, I guess, for coins or whatever it is that you can fit in here. It is too cute. And this is leather, soft leather. Yeah, it's soft leather, which I love. And this is Kim. This is definitely a keeper. I don't have any bags that look like this, and the good thing about it is I have the city tote that's this color, so this will match my city tote. As a matter of fact, let me get it now so I can show you. So this is my Coach city tote, and I have a review and an unboxing on this bag, so I'll link it in the description so that you can see. And as I told you, this matches perfectly, so whenever I wear this and I need an extra bag, I can have this. So I'm so happy that I didn't get the pink, because this one goes with this. Like, you have your little set. It is perfect. So when I'm traveling, I can bring this, and this can be my little, you know, oh my gosh, I'm so happy I have it, and it fits inside. I have a bag organizer in here, so yeah, and you can travel with it and just have extra. So I'm gonna try it on for you guys so that you can see, because I know that's what you want to see, how it looks. So I'm gonna try it on for you now. Okay, so here it is on me. I love this bag. I'm 5'3" for reference, so you see it comes like right to my hip. I believe you can take this part off. I think, yeah, because it has the chain here. And here, you can take this off if you don't want to wear it with this, and then it'll just make the bag a little bit shorter. But yeah, guys, this is so cute. This is what it looks like here. And so it's perfect. And if you wanted to wear it with your city tote, if you have it, you can. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I can't wait to take my next trip. I took this with me to my trip to Florida. And it would have been nice to have this. So this definitely is a look. I'm loving it. And this is it by itself. So that's it for this haul, guys. I can tell you that I am going to wear this bag throughout the summer. Prepare to be sick of me if you guys know the TikTok. Oh my goodness, like, Coach, you really stepped it up. I'm so loving Coach. Why? Because they're coming out with some really good styles, really great, like, I'm sorry, I just got a text. They're coming out with some really good styles. I'm really loving their prices. I love their creativity. The quality of their bags are really good, so you cannot, like, you know, complain about the quality. Like, and LV makes a bag similar to this, and these are like kind of similar to the LV colors, And yeah, but it's Coach, and Coach has been around for a long time. They have an awesome reputation. Like, Coach is a classic. So yeah. Pricing, I got a discount on this bag because, you guys, there's a way that you can get a discount on this bag. Number one, if you join Rakuten. Rakuten gives you discounts online for stores like Coach, Saks, Bergdorf, Macy's, Target, Shein, so many places that you probably already shop at. So if you sign up for Rakuten using my discount, using my referral code, guess what? You'll get $30 and I'll get $30 when you make your first purchase. And usually Coach has anywhere from 1% to 10% off, depending on whatever sale that that's going on. So basically, you would log on to your Rakuten account. First of all, you would use my referral code, and then you when you're gonna shop somewhere, log on to your Rakuten account, and then you're gonna see the store that you want to shop at. You click on it, it's gonna take you to that website, and then as soon as you make your purchase, it's gonna keep a log of all your purchases that you've made. And so what's gonna happen, every 3 months, Rakuten is going to send you a check with all of your cash back. So if the store itself is having a sale, you can take part of that sale. You're definitely gonna get money off from Rakuten. And then if you want to get even further with the sales, if you have a credit card that gives you cash back, use it on that card so that you can get more money off, and just pay it off at the end of the month if you have the money to do it. That's what I do. Like, if I want to get extra points off and I was gonna already make the purchase, I'll put it on my cash rewards card, and then I'll get extra savings, pay the bill in full at the end of the month. If you sign up using my referral code for Rakuten, you'll get $30 and I'll get $30 when you make your first purchase. So thank you to those who have used my code, because they tell me when someone uses it and let me know, and they let me know that I'm gonna get my $30 and you're gonna get yours. So thank you so much. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. Also, I have a Coach referral code where if you use that code, you will get $10 off of your purchase. So it's a win-win situation, guys. So how I got this was over $100. So with my Coach referral code, when people use that, I get $20 off and they get $10 off. So I used my code for Coach for that. And I got 20. So not only did I use Rakuten, not only did I use my credit card rewards points, but I also used the $20 off that I had for my Coach referral. So guys, I'm a happy camper. So it took $20 off this purchase. All in all, I believe this came up to $109. And this bag goes up and down, up and down. Like, the tag on it says, I didn't take the tag off. $298, which if you get it on the outlet, it's not going to be $298. It's never ever that full price. But I feel like I saw this bag for $129, $149, but I got it for about $109, and then plus the tax, I don't remember. I'll put it in the caption. I'll look it up and put it in the caption when I edit this video. So yeah, guys, I really love it. Let me just give you another look. That's what it's looking like. Oh, so pretty, so pretty. So that's what it's looking like, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram, my style page, where I model a lot of these bags, shoes, clothes, and everything. That's Kharyzma for You Style. Thank you to you guys who have been following me on Instagram. I'm trying to bring my Instagram up. Yeah, and also, if you're not subscribed to this channel already, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can get all of my uploads, because I'm going to be uploading more hauls, more vlogs, more fashion related content for you guys, because you love that so much, and so much more on this channel. Follow my other Instagram, Kharyzma for You Fashion, is where I showcase my cosmetics, my lip gloss, my hair accessories, and stuff like that. And if you want to purchase my hair accessories, you can purchase that on my Etsy shop, etsy.com/shop/Kharyzma for You. And if you'd like to purchase my cosmetics, you can go to my website at kharyzmaforyou.com. That's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you like this bag. Let me know if you have this bag. Let me know if you're thinking about purchasing this bag and what color. And yeah, I know I have a lot of Coach friends, so I'm so happy to meet you all because we all have that in common, that you like Coach bags. And I look at you guys' reviews and unboxings, and you guys look at mine, and it's like a little support group for Coach. But it's all good. I love you all. Thank you guys for watching.